Hi guys, how's it going? Hey, little bonus video for you. I just got in from work and I've got a parcel here. I thought I would do a little unboxing. Got to be careful because my address is on one side, and I think my address is on both sides actually, because it's international. Anjali from Pearl Shaving got in touch with me about 3 weeks ago. Now, you know, our local sorting office has been playing up, so things are taking a long time to get here. He sent this out about 2 or 3 weeks ago from Pearl Shaving in India. So first off, Anjali and all you guys over there at Pearl Shaving, thank you very much. Anjali said, look John, we've seen your videos, we like the channel, we'd like to send you something. This is it, I've no idea what's in here. It came today. It came about an hour before I got in from work. So let's pink to make the boys wink. Let's have a look. And oh, that was actually a split in the box. How fortuitous was that? Fortuitous. So we'll open it. Oh, do you know, that is fortuitous. I very nearly took the top off the. I can see a razor box here. Like I said, I have no idea what's in here. You will see it as I see it. There you go. Well, you see it? So that's the one I've just very nearly taken the top off. What is it? The Pearl Safety Razor, Slant Razor. We'll have a closer look at that in a minute. There's other stuff. So we've got some Pearl shaving cream in there. What's this? Pearl Sunrise Bliss Artisan Shave Soap. We'll have a look at that in a minute. Let's get this out here. Ooh, more stuff. Check this out. What is this? Post shave balm. So they give me some shaving cream and some balm. And last but by no means least, a brush. So let's have a look. Let's have a look and see what we've got. This, I have no idea what these are, guys. We'll have a look. There you go. Look at that. That's nice, that actually, isn't it? Oh, it's taped up, so we'll get that. Oh no. I pulled the tape off and the label was coming off with it. Okay, so let's we'll cut that across there. We'll cut that off there because when you're doing thumbnails and YouTube videos, you want the label to look good, right? Okay, artisan shaving soap Pearl. There you go. Oh, that's a unique scent. I can't quite, that doesn't smell like any soap I've had before. I'm not recognising it. Let's welcome to the world of grooming personal care. I've no idea what the scent on that is, guys. Oh, here it is. Artisan shave soap, shaving ingredients, blah blah blah. It doesn't say. It doesn't say. I'll do a bit of research and see if I can get a scent profile on. But that's going to do well in an upcoming shave. The shaving brush. So thanks very much to Pearl. He said, John, get in touch with me, like I said about 3 weeks ago. He said, we've watched your videos and we like them, so we'd like to send you a package. So thank you very much, all you guys over there at Pearl. Oh, there you go. Like I said, I've no idea. Oh, that's not happening, is it? This is why I don't like surprises. Oh, here we go. Shall we? Oh, there you go. What's that way? What's this? Check that out. So we've got the Pearl logo on there. That camera doesn't look like he's picking it up, but that's a lovely pearlescent, we call it. You know, when it looks like the paint's actually moving and shimmering as you move, almost holographic. Beautiful. Nice little brush that. Look forward to using that. Let's have a sniff. Like I said, when I use them in the shave, I'll have a bit more information about them. Oh, that smells nice. That smells very nice, actually. The thing is, because I didn't know what was coming, I just would like to send you something. Because I didn't know what was coming. I've not looked it up, I've not done any research and so on. There you go. And this, let's have a quick look at this. The Pearl, I've seen a couple of YouTubers using this actually. So thank you again, Pearl Razors and Anjali, I think it's pronounced, the young man's name. But check that out, guys. Check that one, some Willys blade. Let's have a look. The Pearl Slant Safety Razor SS with a 316L stainless steel handle. Pearl always do really good packaging, don't they? There's some cardboard bump, we call it, in there. We got a pack of Willys blades, and let's have a look at this. The cleaning cloth and washers. Look at that, guys. That's a really nice handle, that. Wow, that's a Pearl Slant Razor. That's I like that handle. I do. I like that handle. That's stainless steel. Don't know what the top's made out of, but there you go. There's the cap, and that's it. I always do unboxing videos like this, guys, because I like to thank the company involved. So a big thank you to Pearl Shaving in India. Thank you very much. Pearl said to me, John, you can be honest, you can say whatever you want to say about it. They only asked me one thing. And it's not really a big thing, really. They've sent this all the way at their own expense, all the way from India. He said, all we ask is that you use one thing in one shave, and then one thing in another shave, and then use that in another shave, and then use that in it, which is fair enough, isn't it? So that's what we'll be doing. We'll make Pearl April, shall we? And we'll get these out. And to be honest with you, I kind of like doing that anyway, because if I was to use all this in one shade, I wouldn't be able to take in the soap and the cream and the brush, and I'd be concentrating too much on one thing, whereas you can hone in on one thing. So we'll get using that. That's it. I'm going to tidy this up. Just a quick bonus video, guys. Hope you like it. Thank you again, Pearl. We'll use that razor on Saturday. See you guys. Bye.